What's the meaning of battleship? Battleship. Battleship.
Battleship. Battleship. A battleship is a large and heavily armored warship designed for combat on the high seas. Throughout history, battleships have played a pivotal role in naval warfare, dominating the oceans and projecting military power across the globe. At their peak in the early 20th century, battleships were the ultimate expression of naval power and technology. However, with the advent of air power and missile technology, battleships have become less relevant in modern warfare. Despite this, battleships remain iconic symbols of naval might and have inspired countless books, movies, and video games depicting epic sea battles and heroic naval commanders.